Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and I'm here to show you how to make a hand knit scarf. A hand knit scarf is probably one of the easiest projects to start. You have to have some staying power because it's a long scarf. You could make a short one if you wanted to too, but basically all you do is cast on your stitches, and I just did knitting, so I have this bumpy side on each side, and you just make it the width you'd like and then go as long as you want. You can keep trying it on to see if it's the length you want, and you can add variation by different stitches. This is a knit 2 purl 2 with a finer yarn. This is a couple of different stitches in a kind of a checkerboard pattern, and you can even get fancy and put some cables in, and there are special tools for cables and other kinds of stitches. And here we have a large variety of different stitches, and of course you can end with tassels. I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and that was how to make a hand knit scarf.